Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Evernote account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.evernote.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of Evernote. From the official web page, click on the sign up for free button. On the middle of the screen, you can select the correct plan for yourself between free, personal, or professional. Select any one option and click on Get Started. Now, on the next page, you can continue signing up for a new account with Google account or enter an email address in the email text box. After you are done, create a password on the next field. While creating a password, make sure to use capital letters, small letters, number, and a symbol. After you are done, click Continue. Soon after you click Continue, click on the Get Started button to go through a quick tour about the service. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new Evernote account. Evernote is a note-taking and task management application developed by Evernote Corporation. You can archive and create notes in which photos, audios, and saved web content can be embedded. That is how you can easily sign up or create a new account for Evernote. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.